welcome to another video. In today's video, it's solutions for a better Earth. And this is amazing. This guy built a microwave plastic pyrolysis machine. And he's getting over 100% efficiency in this device. He is getting, so he calls this coal. He gets this black stuff out. And then he gets this fuel. Oops. He gets this fuel that's like this stuff here. It's like a combination of diesel and gas and maybe like some other random stuff as well. But it's basically fuel that can be distilled into different things. And so this guy that did this is an 18-year-old kid. An 18-year-old kid, now this shouldn't matter, but it just makes it that much more impressive, honestly. He's a black kid from Georgia, and he invented this. Here's his channel, and here's where it gets to be, I don't know what's going on. 7 months ago, he like dropped off the face of the planet. None of his socials or anything, none of this stuff shows up anymore, right? I don't know what happened, but it's so impressive to me that he did this. So the next step, in my opinion, with this technology that this guy invented, right, is to build a generator. These generators here, and I've had these before, they run off two different types of fuel. So they run off gas and they run off propane, okay? So what I'm suggesting is that there's these two different kinds of fuels that's coming out of plastic pyrolysis. You got this stuff, and then you got he's capturing, he says this is basically like natural gas. So you basically have like a gasoline and diesel mix, and then you have a natural gas mix. Now all three of these things come out of the process. So to build an engine, a generator that can run off of both this and this. He uses yoga balls to capture, but he's actually compressing it. You can see it here in the video somewhere. He actually has got it set up where he can compress these yoga balls full of natural gas into a regular, like a propane style tank, right? So with this technology that he's made, this plastic pyrolysis machine, right? This thing. And then, so you take this thing, and then you, right in like a shipping container, you put one of these, you put the generator, you put some solar panels on the top to get the thing to maybe, not have it even use any of its own fuels that come off it to run it. But maybe, I don't know, if that's possible, do it. If not, one way or the other. But then stick these units and maybe even build these engines big. Like a big engine like this, like an engine to run a ship. Big ships like these here. Like, why can't we build motors to run this ship off of this kind of fuel and this kind of fuel, or maybe just this kind of fuel, and maybe just store this and deliver this to the islands for cooking fuel, or maybe both if you can. I don't know if you can run it. I mean, we can do whatever we want, honestly. We could build an engine that can run off this and this, maybe even at the same time in some kind of combination, that runs the big ships like this. We could humans, engineers, scientists could do this. And now, these ocean cleanup, which there's going to be like, I don't even know how, this is just the testing unit eventually they're going to deploy several of these. So imagine if right on the deck of these big boats there is this system that produces this, and puts it into a motor. Now, these ships out here at sea, they're still burning stuff, but it's got to be like so much better to be burning the plastic than to be burning diesel, that you have to go into port, fill up the diesel, and you know what I'm saying? And this, in my opinion, is very viable and is one of the biggest solutions. So not only running these, but then just building these generator units out with these dual fuel generators and just taking them to remote places in the world that have plastic problems. Boom, plop that down. Boom, people can just plug in remote areas. Now they're motivated to clean up the plastic because it gives them something. This is truly groundbreaking technology. And I'm like, what happened to this kid? Where is he? He was like going all out on this project for quite a while. Over a year. He was, a year doing all his experiments and putting his machine together. And then just all of a sudden, and I have to maybe imagine that the problem is this: he needs $100,000 to make this happen, and he raised not even $3,000 in a year, right? That's probably the issue, right? This is amazing technology, and like the ocean cleanup. I lost it. Oh, here it is. The ocean cleanup. There's another one's 4 oceans. Okay, these guys are cleaning up plastic and making them into bracelets. But meanwhile, what they're doing is they're running these little boats around out in like Guatemala and stuff, I believe. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find an actual picture. I've watched tons of... Well, there they are. They're in a little boat burning regular fuel. So what if we build outboard motors that burn these kind of fuels, right? Not that. This and this, right? And now the outboard motors goes on these guys' boats. And hook them up with one of these plants so they can literally just put their damn plastic they collect into the machine and get the fuel out to run their boat. Right? All right, world, make it happen. Peace. Have a wonderful day.